Welcome to my channel. Where's Lenny Wilson lit up the Grammy Awards 2025 with a performance that wowed the audience from start to finish. The country music star brought her signature blend of raw talent and heartfelt emotion to the stage. Her powerful vocals and magnetic presence made the performance unforgettable. As she sang, the crowd could not help but sing along, caught up in the magic of the moment. Lanie's performance was a testament to her rising star in the music world. And check out, guys, it is a must watch performance from Lanie at Grammys 2025.